Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by combining essential prerequisites with immediate action. Learn core HTML5 and accessibility while building a one-page site. You write code as you learn. Once done, add CSS for layout using Flexbox and Grid and test responsive breakpoints. Make sure to create a project repository and commit daily, even tiny changes, so habits form. This approach forces hands-on practice. It removes theory-only delay and gets you coding right away, which accelerates skill retention and practical understanding. Next, continue the process by building deliberate, real projects that stretch skills. Pick 2 project types and follow wireframe to prototype to build. You iterate and track 3 specific improvements each pass. Use developer tools and Lighthouse to measure performance, accessibility, and best practices, and treat version control as your safety net. Once you integrate feedback, refactor components into reusable modules. This middle phase deepens problem solving. It shows why patterns matter and how to optimize for real users and devices. Finally, complete the task by polishing and shipping your work. Deploy to a live URL, run cross-browser and mobile checks, and perform accessibility audits. Collect user feedback and performance metrics. Make incremental fixes, address CSS layout quirks and JavaScript edge cases, and verify each change with tests. If something breaks, use Git to isolate the commit that introduced the issue, then revert or patch. One key troubleshooting tip: reproduce the bug in a minimal example before sweeping changes, so you target the root cause quickly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.